In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase number for Twilio in Australia. 2000 F. Step by step. First, head to the Twilio console login page, sign into your account and click Continue to reach your project dashboard. If you work with multiple projects, double check that you're in the correct one before moving on. From the left-hand navigation, open phone numbers, then go to Manage and choose Buy a Number. This is where you'll search and purchase your Australian number. In the country selector, find and select Australia, shown with the +1661 country code. With Australia selected, click Search to load available numbers. You'll see options organized by town or region, along with capabilities such as voice and SMS. Take a moment to scan the list and pick a number and location that best suits your use case. If you don't see what you need, use Refresh Results to pull in a new batch. Availability can change frequently, so a refresh often helps. Once you've chosen, click Buy on your selected number, then click Next to continue. Twilio will now ask who will use the number. This is a compliance prompt. Choose the option that reflects whether the number is for personal use or for a business or organization. Confirm your selection and click Next. For Australian numbers, you must assign a compliant address. On the Assign Address screen, select an existing address if you already have one on file. If you don't have an address yet, click Create an Address. A new window will open to guide you through adding it. Click Create a new address, then carefully fill out the details. Make sure the information is accurate and matches official documentation where applicable. Australian regulations require valid local address information for number provisioning. When everything looks correct, click Create to save the address. After the address is created, return to the Assign Address step, select the new address from the list, and confirm. Twilio will use this information to meet regulatory requirements for your number. That's the process from start to finish. Sign in, navigate to phone numbers, choose Buy a Number. Switch the country to Australia, search and select your preferred number and town, purchase it, indicate who will use it, and assign or create a compliant address when prompted. If at any point the results seem limited, refresh and try again. Inventory updates constantly. And if you're new to Twilio, it's a good idea to make sure your account is verified and has an active payment method before shopping for numbers, so checkout goes smoothly. You're all set. Follow these